Hi, let's discuss the char function in the Excel today. Char function is used to get some special characters in Excel using their ASCII codes. ASCII codes are between 0 to 255 assigned to special characters. Special characters can be those which are not readily available on your keyboard, such as copyright symbol, euro symbol, pound symbol, or yen symbol. See, here are some ASCII codes which I have written. Let's use the char function to get what are their corresponding characters. I press equal to, then I write char. I have got the function, so I press tab. So this function takes only one input, that is a number. I link this to the number besides this under ASCII codes and see what is the code for character 128. Okay, it's an euro symbol. I can stretch this below to understand for all these codes. So 163 is pound, 165 is yen, and 169 is copyright symbol. The function I have written, let's see, I am using my internal function to show. So it's char and the code that I have to use. Let's see the use case of this copyright symbol. What I can do is, if I want to use this copyright symbol, I'll write char 169 and then append it, and let's say I'll write some text. Suresh Kadam 2020. So see how you use the char symbol. So I have got the special character copyright using 169. Let's take this ahead. Suppose here are some values in specific currencies, euro, pound, and yen, and I want to append this symbols of these currencies before these values. So how I do it? I'll use char. For euro, I know that the symbol is 128, so I just type 128, char 128, and I append this. Very easy, you can see. For pound, I char. I can link it here as well. 163, 200. Very simple. For yen, I can do this char 165. And this, if you want to see how I'm writing the functions, we can check this. Very easy. Char and the code, and then I press it. Let's see a very different and important use case of char function. A lot of time you take surveys and you get the details as this way: name, house number, society, address. But you actually need an entire address in one block, which can be printed, let's say, on the letterheads, or can be sent, mailers can be sent to this address. How to get this? One of the functions similar to AND is concatenate, which connect two strings. So let's me first use the concatenate function to connect all of this. Concatenate, I'm linking it to first, then I'm linking it to house number, then society, then Mumbai, and then state. I have connected all of them. But if you see the output of this, I've got them all in a straight line without any gap. And I want it staggered in each line. Parag Desai on one line, then H110, and then. So there is an enter in it. But I'm not able to enter the enter in a formula. So how I can do that? The char function, which takes a value 10, is corresponding to enter. So I put enter after every of these attachments. So let's see how I do this. After B24, I type char 10. I hope you have seen this char 10. I'm highlighting it, and I'm copying that, and I'm putting again after C24, after D24, after E24. So if you see here, after E24, and I'm done with the function. So I press enter. I'll say it is still in the same line. Where is the difference? But now if I do wrap text, see that. Now it is on the front line. You can use it and copy it to some mailers or print an address. Very efficient way of doing this. What are the ASCII codes? If you want to know most of the ASCII codes, these are the main ones. 10 is enter key, 13 is carriage return. If you want space, it is 32. You can download this Excel from my website and get all the ASCII codes corresponding to various characters. Thank you very much. I hope you have learned the char function.